Phantom Phoenix here. This is going to be my first video on this channel. I'm super excited, and of course, if you can't tell, this is going to be a reaction channel. I'm going to be starting with music, and eventually, as we go along, I will start adding other things in, and at some point, I will let y'all choose what I'm going to react to as well. But since I'm just starting out, I'm going to be starting with my Spotify playlist as my 2022 wrap up for the year. So I'm going to be starting, with the bottom of the list and then working my way up to my top 5. And I hope you'll stick with me and I hope y'all enjoy. And of course, if you can't tell, today I'm going to be reacting to Angel with a Shotgun by The Cab. All right, but yeah, without further ado, let's get in this reaction and see what y'all think. So I will say, this is going to be my first one, so it may be rough, but again, just bear with me. I do love how this song starts out, for sure.
Battles begun. Are you a saint or sinner? If not to fight, then I shall die with my heart on the trigger. They say before you start a war, you better know what you're fighting for. Well, baby, you are all that I adore. If love is what you need, a soldier I won't be.
All right. I'm going to pause it there real quick before we get any further. Again, it's about to hit into the chorus, but even just that opening right there is so amazing. It starts out very symphonic with the melody, and then, of course, it goes in and starts talking about how if you're going to start a war, you better know what you're fighting for, of course. And this song is obviously about fighting for love.
Until the war's won, I don't care if heaven won't take me back. I'll throw away my faith, babe, just to keep me safe. Don't you know you're everything I have? Wanna live, not just survive.
All right, sorry to pause it again, but I love that line right there. And I just oh gosh, I already forgot it off the top of my head. I'm nervous. Forgive me. But of course it says, I want to live, not just survive. So that line just hits me every time as well.
Fighting for, well, baby, you are all that I adore. If love is what you need, a soldier I will be. I'm an angel with a shotgun.
And I know this is an older song, but I still love it. I know this is an older song, but I still love it either way. I love some of the newer stuff, but I love a lot of the older stuff too. So again, you're probably going to be hearing lots of different types of music from me as we go along through my top 100 of my Spotify. But this is the top, or my top 100. So let's see what happens after this, huh?
Shotgun, fighting till the war's won. I don't care if heaven won't take me back. I'm an angel with a shotgun, fighting till the war's won. I don't care if heaven won't take me back. Not just survive. You better know what you're fighting for. Well, baby, you are all that I adore. If love is what you need, a soldier I will be.
All right, guys. So that's the end of the first song. The Cab, of course, Angel with a Shotgun by The Cab. Again, I know this one's an older one, but in my books, it's still really great, and I love going back and listening to the older songs as well. I'm kind of nostalgic. But yeah, I hope y'all enjoy this reaction. And again, like, just this song is going to be the first of my Spotify playlist wrap that I got for the year. So this is the bottom, my number 100, and I'm going to be working my way up until I get all the way to my top. So if you want to know what my top 5 are, you got to continue watching. And again, this is my first video, so I hope y'all like, subscribe, and comment, please. Let me know how I'm doing and what I could do to make sure that from here my videos get better. Hope y'all all have a great day, and then see y'all next time. Bye, guys!